Now, the government is calling for proposals from the sugar industry value chain on models to refinance the 5 state-owned sugar factories. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Linturi says the government is looking for a refinancing model of the sugar factories after revoking privatization of the millers.
Privatization of Zoia, Soni, Chemilil, Muhoroni and Miwani sugar factories has been stopped as the government seeks alternative liquidation of the millers. The Agriculture and Food Authority had initiated the process of privatizing the 5 state-owned millers who attracted bids from local and foreign investors. The government now says it is keen on a new financing model to liquidate the sugar factories that have a combined debt of 60 billion shillings.
The government position is no privatization that is going to take place. They've taken very many years to get where to here, and I want to unlock this business for people to be able to make money from sugar cane growing.
Linturi says privatizing the millers is counterproductive as it will expose the factories' assets to misuse.
In fact, those people that was spearheading that privatization process were interested in grabbing land.
Yes, thank you.
Another thing. So no privatization will be done.
The government has invited bids for revival and commercialization of the 5 state-owned sugar mills.
We have agreed unanimously that we will go the direction, a negotiated direction between the stakeholders and the ministry. We have also agreed that he will quickly look at the bill.
Part of the refinancing strategy will see the government write off debt owed by the 5 factories and reforming the millers. Benson Droba reporting for Prime Edition.